Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your phone and opening settings. This gets you straight into controls. Tap Screen Time on iOS or Digital Wellbeing on Android. You want the central dashboard. If tracking is off, enable it now so the device begins collecting usage data. This only takes a moment. Once enabled, make sure you grant any permission requests and choose whether reports are daily or weekly. These initial steps let you view accurate app-by-app breakdowns later on. Once in the dashboard, scroll to the activity chart to see usage by day and by app. Tap a specific day to expand a detailed breakdown, and then tap any app to view total time, number of sessions, and notifications sent. Make sure to inspect categories like social, entertainment, and productivity so you understand where time is spent. If you need focus, set app limits or downtime from the same screen. This locks in boundaries based on the data you just reviewed. To finish, apply app limits or schedule downtime to enforce the changes you want. This turns insight into action. If the dashboard shows old or missing data, restart the phone and reopen settings to force a refresh. Make sure screen time is enabled on all your devices and signed into the same account so totals sync correctly. If not, sign out and back in. If problems persist, toggle tracking off and on again to reinitialize data collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.